Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of buy now pay later, or BNPL, a popular payment option that's changing the way people shop. If you're new to this concept, don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. BNPL allows you to purchase items immediately and pay for them over time, usually in smaller manageable installments. This can be a great way to spread out expenses, especially for beginners who want to manage their budgets more effectively. Let's explore how a realistic BNPL plan works and what you should know before getting started. Its core BNPL is simple. When you shop online or in store, you may see an option to buy now and pay later at checkout. If you choose this, the total cost is split into several payments, often over a few weeks or months. The first payment is usually due right away, with the rest scheduled automatically. For beginners, it's important to understand that while BNPL can make purchases more affordable upfront, you're still responsible for paying the full amount over time. Let's look at the main features of a beginner-friendly BNPL plan. Realistic BNPL plan for beginners should have clear terms and no hidden fees. Most reputable BNPL providers offer interest-free periods, especially if you pay on time. The plan should outline the number of payments, the amount due each time, and the payment schedule. Beginners should look for plans that don't require a hard credit check, making approval easier. Also, check if there are any late fees or penalties. Understanding these features helps you choose a plan that fits your needs and avoids surprises down the road. There are several well-known BNPL providers that cater to beginners. Companies like Afterpay, Klarna, and Affirm are popular choices, each with their own unique features. These providers partner with many retailers, making it easy to use BNPL for a variety of purchases. When choosing a provider, compare their terms, fees, and customer support. Some offer mobile apps to help you track payments and manage your account. Picking a reputable provider is the first step to a smooth BNPL experience. For using BNPL, it's crucial to set a budget. Decide how much you can afford to spend and repay each month. Remember, BNPL is not free money, it's a tool to help manage cash flow. Beginners should avoid using BNPL for impulse purchases or items outside their budget. By planning ahead, you can enjoy the benefits of BNPL without risking financial strain. Let's talk about how to calculate a realistic repayment plan. Create a realistic BNPL plan. Start by calculating the total cost of your purchase and divide it by the number of installments. For example, if you buy something for $200 and the plan offers 4 payments, you'll pay $50 each time. Make sure you can comfortably afford each payment alongside your other monthly expenses. This simple calculation helps you avoid overcommitting and ensures you can keep up with payment. Most beginner-friendly BNPL plans are interest-free if you pay on time. However, missing a payment can lead to late fees or even interest charges. Always read the terms and conditions before signing up. Some providers may charge a small fee for late payments, while others might add interest if you miss multiple payments. Understanding these potential costs helps you avoid surprises and keeps your finances on track. Most BNPL providers have simple eligibility requirements, making it easy for beginners to get started. Typically, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid ID, and a payment method like a debit or credit card. Some providers may check your credit, but many do not. This makes BNPL accessible to a wide range of shoppers. Always check the provider's requirements before applying to ensure you qualify. Applying for a BNPL plan is usually quick and straightforward. At checkout, select the BNPL option and provide the necessary information such as your name, address, and payment details. Some providers may approve you instantly, while others might take a few minutes to review your application. Once approved, you can complete your purchase and start your payment plan. The process is designed to be user-friendly, especially for beginners. Realistic BNPL plan will provide a clear repayment schedule. You'll know exactly when each payment is due and how much you need to pay. Most providers send reminders before each installment, helping you stay on track. Beginners should mark payment dates on their calendars or set up automatic payments to avoid missing deadlines. Staying organized is key to making the most of BNPL without stress. Many BNPL providers offer automatic payments, which deduct each installment from your account on the due date. This feature helps beginners avoid late fees and keeps the repayment process hassle-free. Make sure you have enough funds in your account before each payment date. Setting up automatic payments is a smart way to stay on top of your BNPL plan and maintain a good payment history. It's easy to get carried away with multiple BNPL plans, but beginners should be cautious. Juggling several payment schedules can become overwhelming and increase the risk of missing payments. If you're new to BNPL, start with one plan and see how it fits into your budget. Only consider additional plans if you're confident you can manage them responsibly. Keeping things simple helps you stay in control of your finances. One of the best ways to use BNPL responsibly is to track your spending. Many BNPL providers offer apps or online dashboards where you can view your purchases, upcoming payments, and account balance. Beginners should regularly check these tools to ensure they're staying within budget and not overspending. Tracking your spending helps you make informed decisions and avoid financial surprises. Using BNPL can help you build good financial habits if used wisely. Always pay on time, avoid unnecessary purchases, and keep track of your payment schedule. Over time, these habits can improve your overall money management skills. Beginners should focus on using BNPL as a tool for convenience, not as a way to buy things they can't afford. Responsible use leads to positive financial outcomes. While BNPL offers many benefits, it's important to be aware of the risks. Missing payments can lead to late fees, interest charges, and even impact your credit score with some providers. Beginners should only use BNPL for purchases they can afford to repay. Understanding the risks helps you make informed decisions and avoid financial pitfalls. BNPL providers report your payment history to credit bureaus, which can affect your credit score. On-time payments may help build a positive credit history, while missed payments can hurt your score. Beginners should check if their chosen provider reports to credit agencies and understand how their actions might impact their credit. Being mindful of this can help you use BNPL to your advantage. Missing a BNPL payment can have several consequences. You might be charged a late fee, lose access to interest-free periods, or even have your account suspended. Some providers may also restrict future use until your balance is paid. Beginners should always prioritize BNPL payments to avoid these issues. Setting reminders or using automatic payments can help you stay on track. If you need to return an item purchased with BNPL, the process is usually straightforward. Contact the retailer to initiate the return, and your BNPL provider will adjust your payment plan accordingly. Any payments already made may be refunded, and future installments may be canceled. Beginners should check both the retailer's and provider's return policies before making a purchase to avoid confusion. Good customer support is essential for a positive BNPL experience. Beginners should choose providers with responsive support teams who can help with questions, payment issues, or disputes. Many providers offer support via phone, email, or live chat. Knowing you have help available can give you peace of mind as you navigate your first BNPL plan. Many BNPL providers offer mobile apps that make managing your plan easy. Through the app, you can track payments, view your balance, and receive reminders. Beginners will find these tools helpful for staying organized and avoiding missed payments. Downloading the provider's app is a smart move for anyone new to BNPL. Security is a top priority when using BNPL services. Reputable providers use encryption and other security measures to protect your personal and financial information. Beginners should always use secure websites and avoid sharing sensitive details over public Wi-Fi. Reading the provider's privacy policy can help you understand how your data is used and protected. BNPL and credit cards both allow you to buy now and pay later, but there are key differences. BNPL plans usually have fixed payment schedules and may not charge interest if paid on time. Credit cards offer more flexibility but can lead to high interest if you carry a balance. Beginners should weigh the pros and cons of each option to decide which fits their needs best. BNPL can be used for a variety of purchases, from clothing and electronics to groceries and travel. Beginners should start with small, manageable purchases to get comfortable with the process. Using BNPL for everyday items can help you learn how the system works without taking on too much risk. As you gain experience, you can decide if BNPL is right for larger purchases. Beginners often make mistakes like missing payments, overusing BNPL, or not reading the terms. To avoid these pitfalls, always review the plan details, set reminders, and stick to your budget. Responsible use of BNPL can help you build good financial habits and avoid unnecessary debt. Learning from common mistakes sets you up for success. BNPL is best used for planned purchases that fit within your budget. It's not a solution for financial emergencies or impulse buys. Beginners should use BNPL when they have a clear repayment plan and can afford the installments. Using BNPL wisely ensures you get the benefits without the drawbacks. Before signing up for any BNPL plan, always read the fine print. Look for details about fees, interest, repayment schedules, and return policies. Beginners should take the time to understand all terms and conditions to avoid surprises later. Being informed is the best way to protect yourself and make smart financial choices. Missing a payment can be costly, so setting reminders is essential. Use your phone, calendar, or the BNPL provider's app to alert you before each due date. Beginners who stay organized are less likely to miss payments and more likely to have a positive BNPL experience. Simple reminders can make a big difference. Life can be unpredictable and unexpected expenses may arise. If you're struggling to make a BNPL payment, contact your provider as soon as possible. Many offer support or flexible options for those facing financial difficulties. Beginners should never ignore payment issues, as addressing them early can prevent bigger problems. Every BNPL experience is a learning opportunity. Beginners should reflect on what worked well and what could be improved after each purchase. Did you stick to your budget? Were the payments manageable? Use these insights to make better decisions in the future. Over time, you'll become more confident in using BNPL responsibly. Using BNPL should align with your broader financial goals. Whether you're saving for something big or just managing monthly expenses, make sure BNPL fits into your overall plan. Beginners should avoid letting BNPL distract from important goals like saving or investing. Keeping your priorities in mind helps you use BNPL as a helpful tool, not a hindrance. BNPL industry is constantly evolving, with new providers and features emerging all the time. Beginners should stay informed by reading updates from their provider and learning about new options. Being aware of changes helps you make the best choices and take advantage of new benefits as they become available. BNPL providers allow you to use their services for travel expenses such as flights or hotels. This can make it easier to plan trips without paying everything up front. Beginners should be cautious and ensure they can afford the installments, as travel costs can add up quickly. Always compare BNPL options with traditional travel financing before making a decision. Technology products like smartphones, laptops, or tablets can be expensive. BNPL can help spread out the cost, making these items more accessible. Beginners should only use BNPL for tech purchases if they have a clear repayment plan and can afford the installments. Avoid using BNPL for unnecessary upgrades or impulse buys. Many people use BNPL for fashion accessories and lifestyle products. This can be a fun way to update your wardrobe or try new trends without paying the full price upfront. Beginners should stick to their budget and avoid overspending on non-essential items. Responsible use ensures you enjoy the benefits without regret. BNPL can be helpful during holidays or special occasions when you want to buy gifts but manage your cash flow. Beginners should plan their gift purchases in advance and ensure they can repay the installments. Avoid overspending just because BNPL is available. Focus on thoughtful, affordable gifts. Home essentials like furniture, appliances, or decor can be costly. BNPL allows you to spread out these expenses, making it easier to furnish or upgrade your home. Beginners should prioritize essential items and avoid using BNPL for non-urgent purchases. Always compare prices and repayment terms before committing. Some BNPL providers offer plans for educational expenses, such as courses or learning materials. This can help you invest in your future without paying everything upfront. Beginners should ensure the course or material is valuable and fits their budget. Education is a smart use of BNPL if managed responsibly. Health and wellness products or services such as fitness equipment or therapy sessions can be financed through BNPL. Beginners should prioritize essential health needs and ensure they can manage the payments. Using BNPL for health-related expenses can be beneficial if it supports your well-being and fits your budget. Some BNPL providers now offer plans for food and grocery purchases. This can help manage monthly expenses, especially during tight times. Beginners should use BNPL for groceries only if it helps balance their budget and not as a way to overspend. Responsible use is key to avoiding debt for everyday essentials. While BNPL can be used for emergencies, beginners should be cautious. Emergency expenses can be unpredictable and may strain your budget. Only use BNPL for emergencies if you have a clear repayment plan and no better alternatives. Consider building an emergency fund for future needs. Using BNPL successfully requires financial discipline. Beginners should set clear limits, track spending, and avoid unnecessary purchases. Treat BNPL as a budgeting tool, not a way to buy more than you can afford. With discipline, BNPL can be a helpful part of your financial toolkit. Think about how BNPL fits into your long-term financial plans. Beginners should avoid using BNPL for short-term gratification at the expense of future goals. Consider how each purchase affects your savings, investments, and overall financial health. Long-term planning ensures BNPL supports your financial journey. If you share finances with family members, discuss BNPL plans together. Beginners should communicate openly about spending limits, repayment responsibilities, and financial goals. Working as a team helps everyone stay on track and avoid misunderstandings. Family support can make BNPL easier to manage. Responsible shopping is key to making the most of BNPL. Beginners should research products, compare prices, and avoid impulse buys. Use BNPL as a way to manage cash flow, not as an excuse to overspend. Smart shopping habits ensure you get value from every purchase. Wrap up: a realistic BNPL plan for beginners involves understanding the terms, setting a budget, and using the service responsibly. Always read the fine print, track your payments, and avoid overcommitting. BNPL can be a helpful tool for managing expenses if used wisely. Remember, the key is to stay informed, disciplined, and focused on your financial goals. With these tips, you're ready to start your BNPL journey with confidence.